Prachi.
Just try some of it. It'll make you feel better.
What is it?
It's cough syrup. It'll make you feel better. I promise.
Alright, thanks. Jesus
No.
takes the wheel.
First drink. 5 drinks later. 10 drinks later.
Since the 1950s, the use of DXM in cough syrup has become more and more common. In 2008, 1 in 10 American teens use DXM to get high. When using cough syrup, hallucinations and dissociative feelings are common. Abusing cough syrup can cause impaired motor functions, numbness, nausea, and agitation. In some cases, it can cause liver damage, hypoxic brain damage, and even death. Cough syrup is addictive and should not be abused.
One more spoon of coffee.